Is it easy or is it tough for men to pursue such courses which are not the ordinary choice of people in the country?
I don't know how to answer that question because for me it was like a journey. It was not that I have to choose this or that. Yes, of course, money was the problem.
हाँ,
But ये नहीं कि मुझे ये पैसे के लिए करना है. ये एक like how people get pulled towards something.
हाँ.
और उनके पास और कुछ नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
Are you getting? करने के लिए. मतलब
Okay.
उनके दिमाग में आता नहीं है.
हाँ.
So it's like a journey that is there जो मतलब चलते जाओ अपने आप खुलता जाता है.
हाँ.
So I think it just started falling in place for me. And
Did you have support of your
yeah,
family?
so that is where the whole thing was. So no one knew what I was doing. Like my wife knew कि मैं hypnosis कर रहा हूँ, but she doesn't know उसका मतलब क्या है. No one knows कि सब कुछ नया था. And I'm talking about what 10-20 years back.
20 years
almost
back, हाँ.
18-20 years back.
हाँ.
जहाँ पे in India also they were hypnotists, but they were no hypnotherapist.
Yes.
So hypnotherapy as a practice करना यानी अपना अपना डर होता था and all that was there. But with my wife, of course, and I told you the struggle was there, and my struggle was bigger than what I thought. The struggle was that I want to leave this way of life. I wanted to move on to becoming a monk or a mystic or just जाके Himalaya and all that. So all that was there, and that was my struggle. Because the struggle was not hypnotherapy or something else, not
Okay.
the regular way
Okay.
of earning money. वो नहीं था. ये था
Okay.
कि बस मुझे यहाँ रहना है या should I just go and meditate in the Himalayas? So मेरा struggle वहाँ था. And the one thing was my wife and my kids. And my wife was second time pregnant, and that is the time I actually told her कि I think I should be leaving the whole thing because मुझे पता नहीं मुझे क्या करना है, but I think I'll have to find my answer. And then she said okay.
She said okay.
She said
Wow.
I don't
Hats
know.
off
She
to
didn't say
her.
okay in that sense. She said, oh, like there's no earning then. What do you do? Because she was not working. So I said okay, postpone.
Okay.
Postpone करते. That is
Postpone
okay.
हाँ.
Postpone करते.
Thank God you postponed it. Oh my God.
Then again after a few months again it came up.
हाँ.
Again I was crying. I was telling her boss मुझे नहीं पता because there's no pain but it's painful inside. Are you getting me? It's like an
Yes.
emptiness कि boss कुछ तो बुला रहा है लेकिन मुझे पता ही नहीं क्या बुला
पता
रहा
नहीं
है.
क्या है. Wow.
And this is something that I always thank my wife for. And I think that's where the whole change happened in my life. That she says, we'll do one thing, we'll leave everything.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
My wife said, okay, we'll do one thing. We'll all go together and we'll not. And that was the biggest thing what she said after that. She said, we'll never look back. And suddenly there was a complete change of perspective in my life.
Wow.
Like I didn't want to. So that is where it was. So she said, "ये कि okay, we'll go wherever and we'll not look back." And that completely changed my life. मेरा एक perspective shift हो गया, and I got more settled. And then came in hypnotherapy training. कैसे कैसे करके training complete कर लिया. And then the 5 levels for तभी 3 levels थे और बाद में and then complete होने के बाद there was an opportunity to become a trainer.
Okay.
And I took it up.
Wow.
And then there was no looking back. Financially
Wonderful.
also and all
Yeah.
that. So that's one of the reasons I tell people कि if you do the right stuff, even with hypnotherapy, जो लोगों को एक डर होता है कि हम ये करने से हमें पैसे मिलेंगे कि हम कमा सकते हैं कि नहीं. 1 लाख तो आराम से कर सकते हो, 2 लाख भी आराम से कर सकते हो आप लोग, आराम से. तो थोड़ा दिमाग वापरना पड़ेगा कोई भी काम के लिए.
हाँ.
तो 2-4 लाख 5 लाख आप लोगों के लिए छोटा है.
हाँ.
I can tell them, and I train people in that. Basically, how do you do that?
Yeah.
थोड़ा दिमाग वापर, मतलब any business you have to थोड़ा दिमाग वापरना पड़ता है. वो वापरो and do your stuff right, give quality stuff, और लोगों को heal करो अच्छे से.
हाँ.
लोग आएंगे, लोगों को भेजेंगे.
हाँ.
So that is what it is.
Yes.
ये बहुत possibility high है.
Yes.
तो लोगों को तो मैं ये कहता ही हूँ कि बस 1-2 लाख तो आप कमा ही लोगे. मतलब anything that an executive earns उससे ज़्यादा कमा लोगे.
Yes.
थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ेगा, 1-2 साल देना पड़ेगा.
हाँ. हाँ. और आपके मन का काम है.
मुझे तो
और
अच्छा
the satisfaction of helping another human being change their life, इससे बड़ा I don't think इससे बड़ा कोई satisfaction होता होगा.
Also, I think more than just the satisfaction of supporting someone to make that transformation, more than that, it is that the quality that you provide when you do it. It's not just कि आप ये करो और आप ठीक हो जाओगे,
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ.
It's the internal shift that happens within you.
Yes.
That quality shift that you are transferring onto others, उसमें मजा आता है.